Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic, the importance of drawing in education. How can drawing improve cognitive skills, enhance creativity, and boost self confidence? Let's find out. Have you ever noticed how you grasp visual content faster than text? Well, there's a reason behind it. Around 65% of people now consume more visual content compared to text based content. The world around us is primarily visual, and this is why we remember visuals more easily. A stunning landscape or a captivating movie scene can imprint itself in our brain faster than a text story or a theoretical concept. But it's not just about leisure, it's about learning too. Education has a long history of incorporating drawings. Whether it's in schools or hospitals, teachers have used drawings to teach complex concepts. Geologists use drawings to record data, eventually becoming the maps we rely on. Early education recognized the value of drawing, and it has left a lasting impact on our world today. So, what's the importance of drawing in education? Let's break it down. So, the first is improving cognitive skills. Researchers have found that drawing improves cognitive skills. When we understand a concept through drawing, our brains learn faster. The next time you are struggling to learn something, try drawing it out. You will be surprised by the results. Second is increased creativity. Drawing is a creative outlet. It allows you to express your thoughts and ideas, from cultural designs to solving mathematical problems. Drawing enhances creativity and deepens your understanding of various concepts. You will feel like a creative genius. Third one is enhanced learning. Some subjects are notoriously challenging, but with drawings, you can visualize what you are learning, making it easier to understand complex topics. Drawing bridges the gap between confusion and clarity. The fourth is boost your self-confidence. For children, drawing is a way to share their thoughts and creativity. It boosts self-confidence when they see their ideas on paper. Remember, Leonardo da Vinci. He was a scientist and artist known for the Vitruvian Man. A drawing is still used to study the human body's symmetry. Now let's explore how drawing is used in education. So the first is understanding concepts. To understand any subject, you need to grasp its core concept. Drawing helps you visualize and understand what you are studying. For example, engineering students can't do without those working diagrams. Second is useful in mathematical concepts. Mathematics often requires diagrams to comprehend complex problems, whether it's geometry or trigonometry. Diagrams are the secret sauce of math. The third one is architectural design. Drawing plays a crucial role in architecture. Before constructing any building, architects create designs using their drawing skills. These drawings shapes the world around us. Now, if you are a beginner looking to improve your drawing skills, here are some tips. So the first is learn basic shapes. Start with the basics. Learn to draw basic shapes, the building blocks of more complex drawings. These shapes are your foundation. Second is daily practice. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. Make drawing a daily habit. A sketchbook is always your best friend. The third one is share and get feedback. Don't be afraid to share your work and seek feedback. Constructive feedback helps you identify areas for improvement. Feedback leads to growth. In conclusion, drawing is a powerful tool that enhances cognitive skills, fosters creativity, and facilitates learning. The importance of drawing in education is beyond imagination, and it should be a part of every classroom. Remember, whether you are a student or simply someone who enjoys drawing, it's a skill that can benefit us all. Thank you for joining on us this journey into the world of drawing and education. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep drawing and keep learning.